Dear all, good evening. eLearnProfile context for market profile context for 5th February. So regularly we are updating the context to understand the market, how to track the day-to-day levels based on the market profile, so that every trader can able to understand market profile. Also help us, market profile will be the main tool to help us the marking the levels to track the trading. So however we are following, right, monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily time frame, 5 minutes. Similarly in market profile, based on the TPO chart, we can able to mark our levels and understand the market. To prove this activity continuously, more than 60 continuous context days we are providing in our channel. So who are watching or not watching is not important for us. We do our duty. We have to provide our community which is the right way of approach to understand the market. That is, we are providing that. Definitely we hope this will be reached to many traders one time, to help them to understand the why the TPO chart is very important to understand the market and also levels. Hope. Now we'll see on the bell curve point of view. From the bell curve point of view, we already matured profile, overdevelopment, matured profile, overdevelopment. Market already crossed the plus one standard deviation, already crossed the plus one standard deviation. So after crossed, again came inside the one standard deviation. Then today market crossed the deviation by gap up. Gap up is the one of the high confidence of buy side move. Similarly, here the context giving the high confidence for the above move. So once the high confidence open gives, definitely market will reach the 3 standard deviation level. So market reached the 3 standard deviation level, but closed above the market in the end of the session. So this market gap up from the 1SD and reach 3SD today. So maybe the possibilities they completed the target, or they going to continue or not. This is the question now. Okay. So at the beginning of the day, once the market give the gap up at the 1SD level, that is the high confidence move. Based on that, they will taken the stance to standard deviation level. But here the bank nifty still the standard deviation level are not reached. I think 3 standard deviation. Hope you clarified, right? So the way the market profile understanding is quite like complex, but it's a very simple method once you understand. Okay, once you understand, this is a very simple method. Okay, so only thing, we need practice. We are coming the trading to earn small money. No, everyone came to trading to understand the market and do trading and earn the good money. That is our, we are not a common people, right? The traders are the special people. So the special peoples are understanding is how to make good revenue in the market consistently. Okay, so the market profile help us where the eternal time slot market negative buy or not. Here reach a 3 standard deviation and also budget a reversal from the 3 standard deviation. Today again market came and closed above this level. We need tomorrow. This is the perfect confidence move to upside. Then we can expect a good target in 51,500 here, 24,000 here as a first target. Okay, so tomorrow we have to see maybe market open reject reversal or open drive or open test drive. The auction process is very important tomorrow. Okay, what are the levels in the daily trading? We'll see in the day chart. In bank nifty, in bank nifty we already have the good demand confirmation at the 49,500 level based on this particular PPOC profile. So already marked this PPOC level and also below this PPOC level, and still this particular pullback low is active. and above. Today market cleared the high and closed, that is the positive approach, but the auction process is not well positive, so that we need continuity of the process tomorrow. Either market open and test drive and continue, or if they feel this is the target, then definitely they will come and make a range. Then from here to here, market chances for create the new range. So three questions in my mind: maybe open reject reversal, or open drive, or open test drive, or market can able to take the new range. Which will happen? We'll see on tomorrow. Based on the auction process, we are active traders. We mark the level where the market open and provide the auction is a positive approach or negative approach. Okay, both sides as a trader we are ready, because market is always ready for two-way auction. So market is always two-way auction. So as a trader, we have to very vigilant. We always be active on the both side. Where the market provide the confirmation, we are ready to kickstart and follow the market to grab our profit. Nifty. So Nifty levels are similar. We already cleared the bell curve. Okay, standard deviation. So if the market reject below, then only the further development we have to work out. So at present, no need. Maybe we can see this levels maybe impact or not. Anyway, we can wait till the market close above the 23,800 and uh, confirm to for the further rally or not. That is a very important. Okay, so to understand the things, I'll rearrange the visibilities so that we can able to get the things done. Okay, so from low to profile market with range. So once standard deviation started, but immediately budget rally, volatile. After the rally, they taken the fair price, again came inside the profile and taken the fair price, then came out. So now again market reached the responsive zone. From this responsive zone, initiative buyer can lead from here, or responsive seller can push to downside. That is the question now. Clear? Okay, what are the levels we are in the mind? 24,000 is one of the level, and 23,000 above we need the expectation confirmation. Okay, now we can come to closer reference. Closer reference. So I can keep as a low as a recent day profile. Okay. So today auction not much helped us, because after the volatile, after IB breakout in the upside, we can able to understand market in the one time frame. But that's not continued after the breakout is not continued immediately. The previous day high, there is a rally high, taken the charge above the profile. We got the closer in the late evening. That means maybe we can consider why the particular push happened in the L period or M period. That is very important. So we need proper confirmation from here to further follow. If I also have the open position for the upside, but with proper hedge. I also in the positive side in the market, but I holding the process the edge, because what will happen tomorrow? Maybe market open and reject reversal and do the B profile, or open and test try and create the P profile. What will happen? No one knows. But at present, based on the auction process, I am also believe on the upside. So I have the position in the upside position with the proper hedge. So what will happen tomorrow? I will do appropriate action based on the auction process. Clear? So market is always two-way auction. Why we have to be in one stand? We always protect our capital, go with the proper trading method and follow the market with the proper strategy, with understand the trading is very important. So now market closed here. What is the final update? Market closed here. Then we have the PPOC level, and we have the power low level. And yesterday is the balance profile. So this balance profile, The 23,400 level also, we have the 9 TPO that will act as a PPOC level of power. Okay, this is the range. The previous budget day, high also market cleared, low also market cleared. So don't consider about these are the profiles is not important as a reference. So thereafter, the final note is the 23,250. So 23,250, 23,400, and 23,500, and 23,650. Finally, 23,800. If the market open, reject, reversal happens, then we can follow the downside. If the market take the test and drive to the next target is the 24,000. Okay, OD or OTD. Clear? Uh, if the market not breach this level, if the market not breach the lesson, then we can expect some range days will be expecting in the coming days. So there are three options in my mind. I have the position in the upside with a proper hedge. So I'm waiting for market decision. Once market decision given through the auction process, I follow the auction process. If necessary, put the adjustment or add the position based on the auction process. Either add the position or do the adjustment to protect my capital. So I approach the market with proper logic, with proper risk and reward. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on tomorrow. Happy trading.